What if your watch could warn you about a health problem days or even weeks before you feel a single symptom? This is the powerful promise of AI-powered wearables that are transforming healthcare from reactive treatment to proactive prevention. Unlike traditional fitness trackers that simply count steps or measure heart rate, next-generation AI wearables continuously analyze complex biometric data. These include heart rate variability, sleep patterns, oxygen levels, stress markers, movement behavior, and even subtle changes in skin temperature. By using advanced machine learning models, these devices can detect early warning signs of conditions like heart disease, diabetes complications, sleep disorders, respiratory issues, and chronic stress. They do this long before they are noticeable to the user. In countries like the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, healthcare systems are increasingly integrating wearable data. This integration helps reduce hospital visits, enable remote patient monitoring, and support aging populations. AI-powered wearables learn each user's unique baseline, allowing them to distinguish between normal fluctuations and meaningful anomalies. This dramatically improves accuracy compared to one-size-fits-all health metrics. For example, a wearable may detect unusual fatigue patterns, irregular heart rhythms, or sleep disruptions. It can prompt users to seek medical advice early, potentially saving lives. In the workplace, these devices help prevent burnout and improve employee wellness. While in sports and fitness, they optimize training and reduce injury risk. However, this technology also raises concerns about data privacy, security, and ethical use. Making transparency and user control essential is crucial. As sensors become more advanced and AI models more precise, wearables will evolve into real-time health companions. They will continuously protect and guide users. Over the next decade, AI-powered wearables will shift healthcare from hospitals to everyday life. This will empower individuals to take control of their health with early insights, personalized guidance, and timely intervention.